In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view financial statements on Tradingview so you can analyze a company directly from your chart. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and go to your chart screen. In the search bar, type the stock name like TSLA and open its chart. Once you're inside, right-click anywhere on the chart and open Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Events section and enable Earnings. After that, close the settings and look at the bottom of your chart. You'll now see small E icons marking earnings dates. Hover over one of these icons and you'll get a quick summary of the company's results. For more details, click on the option to view full financials. This will open a detailed page where you can see financial statements like income, revenue, balance sheet, and other key data. That's it. Now you know how to view financial statements on Tradingview. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.